In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom fields at the checkout form of your Gumroad store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this is very easy. Just go to this left sidebar menu and click at checkout. Then we are going to go to checkout form, and the first option you should see is to create custom fields. So if you click this button, you can choose the type of field. So it can be text, checkbox, or terms. So in this case, let's say we want to add text so our customers can enter text. For example, if we need some specific information about our customers, let's say we are selling a custom product and we need to know our customer name, we will just put right here at the label the question. So for example, what's your name? We can choose if we want this field to be required, so the customer will always need to fill this input field so they can complete the order. And as you can see at this small preview, we can see this new field right here, what's your name, and we can select on what specific product we want this custom field, or if we want to apply it on every single product. So just like this, you could now delete it, or you could keep adding more new custom fields and they will be added right here. So after you are done, just scroll and save the changes at the top right of the screen. So that's it. That's how you can create custom fields on your Gumroad store. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.